coming down Route 81 with my brother, picking with a long trailer, bringing home some old square body Chevys, and I'm listening to your radio show, and I think I know the answer to your question.
Oh, wow. And that is such a backdrop that you just painted for us, Route 81. And we have a truck driver sitting here with us that's driven all over the country. And you wouldn't believe some of these stories I'm hearing during the breaks. I love them. I asked him, could we talk about them? Which we'll probably cover another interesting one shortly. But, Jeff, you know what we got to do before you create an answer.
Nope.
First, I need to put you on stage. Then I need to read the question. What vehicle that can be driven on the streets of America has been the most miles? And what is the answer to today's Tech Tip quiz?
Well, besides my brother's GMC diesel that we've been up and down 81 about 1,000 times with, I think it's a Tesla Roadster.
You
know why I think that?
A Tesla Roadster. Now, why would it be a Tesla Roadster?
Because I think there's one flying around in space that can be driven on the road, but it's up there in space with a CD player playing, I forget what song it's playing, but I know it's up there still. It hadn't fallen down yet.
Thank you very much.
And you are absolutely right. The Elon Musk Red Roadster that was launched into space has logged more than 2.5 billion, that's what a B, miles in space, most through a barren vacuum, though in 2020 the vehicle made its first close approach to Mars, passing within 5 million miles of the planet, or that's about 20 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. You know, I believe if I could have any car I wanted, I believe it would be that Red Roadster. Wow, wouldn't that be something?
So cool.
I don't know. I kind of have the car I've always wanted.
You have a Toyota, don't you, Blake?
Yes, sir. I have a 1997 Toyota Celica.
Jeff, you are a winner, and while Blake's talking here, if you don't mind, hang on here, because this is Blake's being very open with us. Blake, you mentioned that you met your wife and she quit her job. You met at 12 o'clock midnight. And you talked. She brought you flowers. You quit your job.
No, she quit her job. I didn't quit my job.
She quit her job, and then you come back and guide her, and you two got in the truck and been going ever since. Now, you mentioned before that you were making really good money, and then you ran into a reason that caused you to lose a lot of money. What was it?
I've become a compulsive gambler over my lifetime as a truck driver. I've stopped at almost every casino in the country, at least once. I'm not a big Vegas fan, but I love the Midwest, the ones in the middle of the country, Ameristars, Windstar, all those. The most money I've ever lost at one time is probably about $150,000 to $180,000 on a poker table.
So you go in some of the truck stops and they'll have like machines or either tables and stuff like that?
No, you have to actually go to a real casino over that. I don't particularly like slot machines. So we'll go to an actual casino and we'll stay like a couple nights there. The last one we went to was in Grand Prairie at a racetrack, and we won $5,000. We ate on all the money. For about 3 days, like really expensive food, just messed around at the bar and a whole bunch of other stuff. Finally ended up losing all of it because I was drunk and playing at a $50 table with a double deck.
And so then you found out that wasn't a good way of life, so instead you...
No, I'm still a compulsive gambler. I'll bet you $50 right now if I had it.
Well, we appreciate you sharing that.